Turning your phone into a magic wand, that's what we're going to talk about next with AirSig. It's Geekazine's coverage of TechCrunch Disrupt 2014 in New York City, and is brought to you by our friends over at Veeam. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers with Geekazine over at Disrupt, and I saw you guys the other day, and we were just talking about branding is everything, because I passed by it, because I made an assumption, and I was pretty confident on that, and I moved on, but I'm glad that you came and found me. We've got Mark here from AirSig, AirSig. So why don't we talk a little bit about your magic wand here. What is AirSig?
Okay, AirSig is authentication that's better than fingerprint identification. And we are actually using the regular smartphone to capture anyone's unique signature pattern to authenticate one's identity.
Really? So how does that work?
Okay, because everyone's signature is unique. And all we need is the gyro and the G sensor in pretty much every smartphone to capture your signature in the air, and it will capture about 2,000 variables and do a comparison, see if you are the owner of the phone or somebody else try to attempt crack it.
So show us a little bit about this. So you have a locked phone there, right?
Yeah, it's a lock screen right now, and all I need to do is I'll just write a short acronym like this, and it will authenticate my identity through my unique way of writing and recognize my command as FB and take me to Facebook right away.
Wow! And unlocked your phone and took you right into Facebook. You can do that with other programs, right?
Yes. Like I can do like camera. It takes you to the camera right there. It's a live camera.
Wow. Now he then gave it to me. He then gave it to me, and basically I tried to do the same thing, and I couldn't get into your phone because I don't know how you sign your stuff.
Yes.
So how does, first of all, is this for Android? Is it iOS? Or?
Right now it's for Android only.
Okay. Are you planning an iOS version?
Well, Apple are very strict with the system level protection, so we are actually trying to talk to them, see if they can integrate our library into their phone unlock. That would be great.
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm a little bit concerned about waving your phone around like that, and all of a sudden you've accidentally slipped it and you just threw it 30 yards from there. How are you preventing anything like that?
Okay, our authentication and algorithm is actually very unique, because you can actually be recognized by a very fine-grained gesture. So you can actually just feel like you're writing in the air with the regular size of characters that you're writing on the paper. So you don't
have to be that extravagant about it. You could just do like a little conductor's wand type thing.
Yeah. I did it bigger because I want the video to catch it. But normally you can just do it like that. Otherwise people think, well, you're crazy in the subway. You're moving like that. What are you doing? I'm locking my phone. I'm
wearing Google Glass. Everybody thinks I'm crazy anyways.
Yeah, that adds up to it. Yeah, of course.
So this is pretty cool. You'd have to go back to the home button to get the button that you use to actually open up another program, correct?
Yeah, right now the program do it that way, but actually if we can work with the companies, like the e-commerce site or the PayPal, we can integrate our library into them, so you don't have to do it 2 steps. Everything integrated, so every time you do a wire transfer, you just sign in the air and then you can authenticate yourself. That's much easier.
Could you do that as in a security measure? Like let's say you're using the NFC to pay for something, and they say we want your signature. Are you working on steps for that?
Yes, actually we have a demo on the laptop. We can show you later.
Okay. And so you pay for something, and then you air sign it, and it automatically shows it.
Exactly. So you don't have to worry losing your phone, because NFC is the first step, right? And then you still have to have the second step to pass the signature to be able to activate the payment.
Have you launched this product yet, or?
Yes, it's already on Google Play. Just search for AirSig and you find out 2 apps on it.
Is there any cost to it?
No, it's free.
Absolutely free?
Yes.
Are you going to do any type of premium models, or?
Maybe in the future, but right now we are actually accumulate the customer base, and then so that we can talk to the companies, and they will feel more reliable and confident about our product. Yeah, our goal is to let people know our technology, accept the new concept, and also expose to companies who need better authentication so that we can work together and promote our technology.
All right. And AirSig, AirSig.com.
Exactly.
All right. Well, there you go. Thank you very much, Mark, for your time.
Thank you.
Awesome stuff. So you created an online startup. That is awesome. But are you using virtual machines to host your files, edit your code, or even create a back-end infrastructure for your new company? If so, do you have a solution to not only back up those machines on a schedule, but also be able to replicate a machine and for sandboxing, for expanding your systems, or when your idea even goes viral? Veeam Backup provides 12 powerful features that allow you to make your job easier. You could use the free tool like VeeamZip to compress a backup and put it on a removable drive for emergency rebuilds. Download the Veeam Backup Free Edition and Veeam One Free Edition and try this great software. You can even get a 3-day free trial of Veeam Backup Management Suite. Just head over to geekazine.com/Veeam. That's geekazine.com/VEEAM and get more information. Let's keep that conversation going as well by using the hashtag BackupMyVM. BackupMyVM.